In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever deleted an email by accident, don't worry. Outlook keeps a safety net called deleted items, and getting your message back is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few simple tips so you can restore your messages with confidence. First, open Outlook. This can be the desktop app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mail. Once you're in, look to the left side of the window. That's your folder pane, where you'll see your inbox, sent items, and other folders. Find the deleted items folder there. Think of deleted items like a recycle bin for your email. Messages you remove from your inbox usually land here first instead of disappearing right away. If you don't immediately see the folder, you may need to expand your email account in the left pane by clicking the small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click Deleted Items to open it. Now, look for the email you want to recover. If you've deleted it recently, it may be near the top, sorted by date. You can scan by subject, sender, or date to spot it. If you keep a lot of mail, you can also use the search box while you're inside the Deleted Items folder to narrow things down with a keyword from the subject or the sender's name. When you think you found the right message, select it to preview the contents and confirm it's the one you want back. To restore it, the most reliable method is to right-click the email